Yes, there are two reasons why you want to shoot on memory cards. One is to have a backup of everything you shoot. But second, sometimes you don't have time to wait for the files to come in. You want to shoot super fast. So your talent is not waiting. So you can shoot just on memory cards. However, it might be a bit stressful to know that the files are only on the memory cards. How do you know that everything is there? This is what I want to show you this morning. So first, we have 8 Canon cameras connected to this computer. If I check here, save photos, we're going to save to cameras and computer. We could save on cameras only. This way we shoot super fast in burst and video, and we save everything on memory cards. Let's stick to camera and computers for a moment. I took a bunch of shots, and we're going to have a look in the camera storage module right here. So first thing, we're going to analyze what's on the memory cards. It's pretty fast because I have only 8 cameras, and we download super small thumbnails just to give you an idea of what's available on the cameras. That works with JPEG, RAW plus JPEG, and video. Everything I'm saying here is available in the Wayfinder, so it's all written, proper English, no French Canadian accent. Woohoo! All right, so we have 48 data sets currently. So we would hope that we have 48 images on each of the camera. But on purpose, I trigger individually on some of the cameras just to show you some colors. So for hello Minou. For instance, here I am missing 6 of the 8 images. If I click on it, then I see the 2 cameras, the 2 images that are available for that data set. So it's very easy to figure out where you are in your session, what's missing, what's not. And we're trying to match the data sets based on the first shot that you took of the day. So it's very important that you start clean. Ideally, you format everything before you start shooting. And there's a button for this. And especially on Canon, it's great because you can reset the file numbers for all cameras at the same time. Let's go back here. So if I take this one here and we look at the thumbnails, you see that the colors are matching. So on purpose, I was changing the white balance so we could see that the images are matching per data set. And from here, we can download the dataset, and that's just going to create the dataset available on the library just as usual. One interesting thing I talk about the burst. So burst is something that's so long to transfer. So if you want to shoot your burst and then validate if you want it or not, then you can validate it from this view here on memory cards, and then you control click on any of the iterations of your burst. Oh, it's selecting all of the data sets that are close to each other in time within 10 seconds. And you can adjust this setting. So from here, I can, as I have a selection, I have this bar here that is popping up, and I can download all data sets in multiple folders or as a single data sets, just the way we've been doing it for a long time with Burst.